Hey, welcome back, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you how you can get started with KDP, low content publishing, today. So if you don't know what to do to get started, and this is something that you've been thinking about, you're going to get the inside scoop today. If you're new to the channel and you don't know who I am, my name is Dee Willis. I love making passive streams of income and learning the various ways to do so because I like diversifying my funds. And if you do too, then I highly recommend that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, do the thumbs up thing, and click the notification bell so that way you can be notified when I make more videos like this. So first things first, let's go ahead and dive into my computer, because starting a KDP, low content publishing business, is something that is so simple, but it's not, right? So it's simple to start, but it takes time. There's a learning curve involved in order to get all the pieces in the right order and come up with a process that works for you. So the very first thing that you're going to need to do, I'm just jumping on my computer here. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is sign up for a KDP account. I'm going to put the link below. It's kdp.amazon.com. It is free to sign up and it's very simple to do. So all you do is go to the link provided in the description and you will come to a page that looks something like this. If you do not have an Amazon account, you will need to sign up for an Amazon account. However, I hope you already have an Amazon account. And if you do, you just log in using your regular sign-in information. You just log in that way. Now you're inside the Kindle Direct Publishing dashboard. And typically when you're creating low content material in books, you're typically doing paperbacks, okay? Because there's various things that low content material consists of that's not conducive to a Kindle, all right? A Kindle version, but you're typically going to use a paperback. All right, so now you're signed up. You can actually start submitting low content books into Kindle now, because now you have an account. Now, the second thing that you will need to do is decide on the type of low content that you're going to make. Now, there's a lot of different options out there, but you need to decide what option is best for you. In one of my earlier videos right here, you can go ahead and click that link. I go into what low content is. So basically what it consists of. So you can learn that information there on that video. But I'm just going to kind of help you understand that you have to get prepared for this, right? So once you made the decision that this is a way that you want to do some passive income, whether it's a side hustle or if you want to make money in your sleep or whatever, there's a learning curve to it. It's very simple to do, but you got to get a process going for yourself. That's the big thing. Getting a process going for yourself, because there's various things that you're going to need to learn. If you have some of these skills already down, you're good to go. It's just one less thing. But you need to learn how to create your interiors. You're going to need to design your covers. You're going to need to know what niche you're looking at going into or what niche you're going into. And then on top of it, you need to understand keyword research and how to research the correct terminology that people are searching for within the Amazon search engine, so that way they can even find your book. And so these things take time. You can put up 20 to 100 low content books before you can even start really getting a feel for it. And of course, the more you do it, the faster your learning curve will be. And then the faster you will become, and you will start knowing what works, what doesn't work, what type of covers is catching people's attention, what covers aren't, what interiors are working, what interiors don't. So it's very simple, but it is a process to learn. And then you, of course, have to create a schedule for yourself. you should have goals on how much you want to upload in a day, in a month, in a week, a year, what have you, and aim to reach those goals with your KDP, low content publishing goal schedule. Right. So you want to create some goals for yourself, and then you got to stick to that schedule based on what you already doing. If you already work a 9 to 5, there's different variables in that. However, one of the quickest ways that you can get started with KDP, low content publishing, is to do notebooks. I tell everybody to do notebooks, just start. And that was the advice I received from one of my mentors. And it's worked for me to start with notebooks. Don't go in with the expectation that your notebooks are really going to sell like that, right? Because there's 1,000,001 notebooks on Amazon. But what it does is it gets you used to the process. It gets you used to using certain tools. It gets you used to the upload process. And it gets you used to designing covers and seeing what works and what doesn't. And to help your learning curve and help you get started faster, in the description below, I provided a link to my shop, deewillis.shop. And in my shop, there are some free interiors for you to download. So I have college ruled notebook paper as well as wide ruled notebook paper in a 6x9 and in 8.5x11 sizes. So you can pick whichever size you want. It's 120 pages. Available for each one, and they're free. So you can go ahead and download them from my shop. So that way you can start with your notebooks, and the only thing you will need to do is design your cover. And great news about that, right here, I just created a video talks about how you can do a cover, how to go about getting a template, what you need to do, step-by-step instructions on how you can create a cover in a free tool called Canva. Now, I have Canva's link below as well in the description, so you can go check that out. And then all you need to do is design some covers, and you will have the paper for your interior. And that way you can start uploading KDP low content books today. I mean, as early as today. And it is very simple to do. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. And if you have any questions or want to know something in specific, please leave those questions in the comments below. I always answer whenever I can. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more information like this, and hit the notification bell. Until the next video.